Alright, so just when you thought you had a solid grasp of how to lay things out in Drupal, we're going to change gears and show you a completely different way using a module called panels. So why are we going over so many different ways to do the same thing? Well, first of all, it's important to understand the tools that are available to you. We talked a little bit about this earlier, but just knowing what's out there will help you decide what tools are right for what situation. In this particular situation, there's a few different tools we can use for the same things. And so it's a good way to compare and contrast them. Each of the tools has things that the other tools don't have, but in some use cases you can use them interchangeably. Also, not only are you choosing the tools that you want to use, but as you develop into a Drupal site builder, you're going to find that you'll end up taking over Drupal projects from other people, and you may not have much of a say in the tools that they used for the project. So it's good to be familiar with how to work within the context of panels, how to use Display Suite, how to use context, how to use the blocks configuration page, because they're all tools that could be used for projects that you end up plugging into later on.